For today's video, I will show you how to use Venmo for business transactions. So, let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to get a business profile, because if you do business with Venmo, you can accept Venmo payments in your app, online or in person, and tap into the business community of more than 83 million people. All right, now click on get a business profile first. All right, and once we are here, simply, if you are new to Venmo, you will be asked to get your three types of account. You can have your personal account, your teen account, which is only available for teens 13 to 17 with adult sign up pay, and of course your business account. Now click on that. When you click on it, you can grow your business on Venmo, all right? Easily organize and manage payments. You get notice and connect with people in the Venmo community. There's no setup fees, no monthly fees, and you pay a low transaction fee of 1.9%, all right? And you can cancel anytime. And of course, fees are subject to change. Now, all you're gonna do is click on get started right here. Now, when you click on get started, you will be asked to enter your phone number, and Venmo will text you a code so they can confirm that it's you, all right? By tapping send code, you're confirming that you are authorized to use the number entered and agreed to receive SMS text to verify you own the number. Carrier fees may apply on send code. Then once you've created your business account, you get started, all right? Say for example, you have already a personal profile. Open the Venmo app and go to the Me tab right here. Tap the profile picture on the top left corner and then tap create a business profile. That's another step, right? You can customize, add the business details to show potential customers and what makes your brand special, and be sure to include a profile picture and background photo. Of course, you need to tap the publish button so you can publish your profile and you're in the business, and Venmo users will be able to find and pay your business in the app right away. Okay, so please take note that if you send a Venmo payment to an authorized business profile or another individual for a good or service without identifying the payment as for goods and services, you could lose your money without ever getting what you paid for, all right? And if you accept a Venmo payment from someone for a good or service with your, business, and the buyer didn't identify a payment as for goods and services, they may later review the payment, and when that happens, Venmo may reverse the payment, meaning you could lose both the payment and the item you sold for your business. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.